On this episode of Storytime, we look at 7 times Jamaicans shocked the world. This list will include a few Jamaican sporting champions, but some notable Jamaican sporting achievements may not be mentioned to ensure that we have a diverse list. If any of your favorite moments were left out, comment in the comment section below and let us know. Don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to our channel.
Johan Blake, the pretender, 19.26 is best.
At number 6 is Prime Minister Bruce Golding, who shut down a British reporter, Stefan Shacker, on his television show Hard Talk. Shacker had repeatedly pressed Golding on homosexuality and whether Golding would have a gay minister in his cabinet, to which Golding sternly replied,
One more time.
Yeah.
Do you in the future want to live in a Jamaica where a gay man or a gay woman can be in the cabinet?
Sure, they can be in the cabinet, not mine.
Well, they can't be in yours.
Not mine.
No, but do you want to live in a Jamaica where they can be and they should be and it would be entirely natural for them to be so?
I do not know that that is necessarily the direction in which I want my country to go.
Next up is the Reggae Boys' victory over tournament favourites USA in the 2015 Gold Cup semi-finals. The Reggae Boys took the lead through a Darren Mattox header in the 30th minute. Giles Barnes then scored a fantastic free kick to top off the victory, which sent the boys to the Gold Cup finals for the first time in history.
Thanks mainly to that man striding out to the crease, Chris Garb.
There's a little bit of intent in the way that he's walking out to the middle there. Normally he's cool, he's second to the wicket. Chris Gayle is now first on the...
At number 4 is Chris Gayle smashing a world record of 175 runs off 66 balls in the IPL 2013. Gayle posted the highest score by a 2020 batsman in the history of the sport. Next up is Michael Manley's scathing remarks to Jamaicans concerned over his relationship with Cuba. Manley was constantly under pressure by the US, and when rumors of a US-funded insurrection taking place on the island emerged, Manley took to the airwaves to tell Jamaicans to leave Jamaica if they wanted to.
At home, Manley's socialist dream had become a middle-class nightmare. If you don't like it, Manley told them, there are 5 flights a day to Miami. In the months that followed, thousands took his advice. Planes were packed with Jamaica's middle classes, taking their money with them.
Sardoodledum.
At number 2 is Crip Spelling Bee champion Jodian Maxwell. Maxwell created history when she became the first non-American candidate to win the title, a record that still stands today. And finally, at number 1 on the list is Usain Bolt's breathtaking 100-meter world record run at the 2009 IAAF World Championship in Berlin. Bolt seemingly defied physics when he broke the 9.6 barrier for the first time in history, clocking 9.58 seconds, shocking the world and making the region proud.
Und jetzt ist Usain Bolt nicht zu halten, nein, er gewinnt! 9,58 Weltrekord! Ein Wahnsinn!
And that is it for our list, guys. Can you think of any other Jamaicans who shocked the world? Let us know in the comment section below.